This is homework for the e-commerce database editor. With this application, will allow user to view, add, update, and delete the category, products, and the tag in our database. Before we showing the example, please ensure you install the necessary dependencies in our command lines. You can just simply type npm I and it will install all 4 dependencies on there. And also, please ensure you create the database using this application. Oh, sorry, not this one, which is this MySQL Workbench, and to create the database. And then at the command line, run the npm run seed to input all the data into our database. So let's test it out. We can use npm start to start a server. Right now it's on the local port 3001. And then we come here to our Insomnia. Before that, we're gonna try each category right here. I already set up. First of all, we're gonna get all the data tags. You can see we have each tag ID 1, 2, 3, and we also including all the product under this tag. And we also can get by single one tag. Just put right here 1. We can return by this. And also by category, we have all the category list right here. We also can get a category by ID. Same thing by product. They show all the products right here. And if we got a 1, put 6 because there's no 6. Send products 1. You can see. So I'm gonna text the create function by tag. Right here I set up tag name by test. Once we send out, you can see the return me this one, and after we go back to get tag, we can get really in the bottom. You can see there's a new tag under the ID number 9. And then we can update to ensure you put the tag 9, and we update name with the update. Once we send this out, we return 1, which means it's successfully update, and we're going back. This time we're running by get tag by ID, and yes, you can see the name is already updated to the new name just we put in. And then we can just simply delete it. Make sure you have the correct ID numbers, and when you send it out, they return successfully. And then we get all the tag. Let's see in the bottom, it's no longer existing. The last one is 8. And let's try the category. This time I named the category name by underwear, and we send it out. Then we got, let's test this. Return all the category. At the really bottom, they have the 6, which we just made it, and we update 6 right here, and we put men's underwear, and we send it out. It return me 1, and this time we try to get 6. Single item back. You can see it's correct. It's updated correctly by our input. And then we just delete it, and we return to get all the category. You can see in the bottom this no longer have the 6. And all the same as the create the product, this time we need 4 elements for product with the name, price, stock price, and the category IDs. Once we send it out, we can check all the get all the product. We scroll down in the bottom, you can see there's a name test on our price, stock price, category IDs. And then we update, which is number 7. So we update to number 7. We made product name to product updated test. And once we send it out, let's go single item bag. You can see the name is already updated right there. And then we want to delete it. Make sure you put the correct ID there. And let's get all the products back. Scroll down the bottom. You can see there's no longer overhead 7 at the existing of the list. So this is it. Thank you.